Da da dee da da. That was light up for this. People, we see our flex a laugh. Why I don't know I'm going for the gully side. I be a drama. YouTube, big up on yourself. We switch part Foota hype. Get the notification. Like I him get first one notification over YouTube. All I know say Foota hype park up the Lamborghini and went completely off by the road people. We don't know what going. There are speculations and rumors on the road that they are saying that Foota hype is crying out in jealousy, saying they abandoned him and they didn't give him an invitation, and that's why Foota hype is saying the whole thing. A sweet some man love. I can't believe these people. Not Mob, not Vado. Not Vado. You can't style real boss like that. But if you say the man them like sweet, make sure say uno kick up the like button. 2,000 like. And who him attack? Me say I want know who brother attack. This virgin say a sweet them and them like. So no unity. No unity. Queen Latifah said it best. Unity is the way. So what the hype said? A pretenders people no drop up 2 cents in the comment section. You want to tell me say after so much man get their head bust up, man get run down with ratchet, man get pull out the bus and beat up. Me I tell you say, you really don't want to see you look at unity. But the hype said no. As a matter of fact, what the hype said, the brethren they hate each other Rasta, and it's impossible. Foota said, politician, artist, garrison leader, everybody try to get the brethren them together, and it couldn't work. It just couldn't happen. And it's like the brethren I said, DJ Khaled must just open up him bank account and say, only take one want here, sir. And Killer said, we're not dropping momentum and Flex all a laugh Rasta. Of course, me see Flex happy Rasta. Yo, what that? Sorry for I like all Flex happy. We never see Flex a laugh people. We not laugh. That's the light up. Nerves to get bad Rasta. I can't believe this. Oh Flex, I go inside I can't Flex a laugh. Remember no people. Flex. When everybody's money we know from Jamaica. Flex no take talk. Them man the dog on camera for every pint and Flex. I miss his Flex and laugh. Right smile like him and veneers. People we don't know. Can't kill us say want some hardcore song and we see Flex and laugh. I believe this. What the hype? Flex. Make one Flex with Aisha and say, boy, look like Flex and make one Flex. You start one good thing as like what do you think you did I reach? Oh people look like Flex did I reach? I reach Aisha and talk 1, 2 thing Rasta. Aisha look good. But him say it Rasta is like him I try draw such man. Such man already get the notification and such man say a hypocrite think the two brethren they not like each other Rasta and him say it deeper than music people. I don't mean say I brethren have a Lamborghini. Everybody knows it. I rich DJ have a Lamborghini. Yeah. FHM, the rich DJ. Him, the entertainer. Big him up. Well, him say, not for roll with them, cause them a drive foreign car and him a drive foreign car too, so yeah. I gotta just go some bakes and go inside and ball there Rasta, cause Killer deal with Flex. I no deal with him. Yo, people, I'm gonna put the hype though. People, them say, one Kevin said, look like they take back in bird paper and kill at this one him. But honestly, I'm not bad at him brother again. The brother confused car. Them saying try for jump side or they haven't try for say Gaza and they lucky gate on him. Flex lucky gully gate on him too. Them saying homeless people. You know, in can't. We don't know. People. But I really jealous. I jealous in jealous. Is the reunion getting to foot the hype break? So basically what I say, because a foreign producer and foreign studio with foreign AC and about to put the platinum on the wall and drive a couple of the Rolls Royce them and like when you see teacher just forward and live a real king life, right? And same no want him running. On the streets, them a tease him with Aisha. People, me just a talk when me hear, click up the subscribe button and share content, cause the brother go off. That's him have to park up, brother, and go off I road and win. And he may remember Florida and the alligator when I'm making straight. People me see how flex a laugh. Yeah, me can't get over this. So Miami nice. Miami a happen. This is something we cannot ever forget about. Like flex smiling. Me almost think of Sanchez. You think he was a singer? I said, nah, can't be a hot rock. That's nah, brother. But anyway, since Flex stole the show, and Rodney said hardcore music for forward and them a try to turn the thing in an Afrobeat thing and Bounty said that not gonna work. So people, you see if you say the alliance is at large. So if you don't know what's the alliance form again, check. When you hear it, it's the first alliance.